Hey there! Multitasking or multi-masking is today's Wellness Wednesday question as I adjust my biocellulose mask. And honestly, this might be one of the few times that multitasking actually does work. I am about to continue my massive spring cleaning project and my commitment to getting it done because, honestly, it's helping me to clear my brain along with my physical space. But before I do that, I wanted to take a minute to tell you about the Mary Kay Bio-Cellulose Mask. I have found that this mask works beautifully for busy days because once you put it on, it does the work while you do something else for about 20 minutes to 30 minutes each application. And in just 2 weeks, it improves the firmness of your skin, and in 4 weeks, it reduces the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. So while I'm cleaning and organizing today, this mask is actually doing its job too. So, there we go. Comment below, and within the next 24 hours, you'll be entered into a drawing for a chance to win a super duper surprise prize. That's it for the day. I'm going to let this mask do its work while I go do my spring cleaning work, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Love ya. Have a good day.